How to use American Express gift card online. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use American Express gift card online. In order to use your American Express gift card online, all you have to do is first thing first, update your application. All you have to do is check your internet connection, open up a browser, and on the web address bar type in www.amexgiftcard.com. Don't worry about the link, I'll make sure to drop it on my description box below as well. It's going to direct you to the official web page or the home page, and this is how it's going to look like. So basically, to use your American Express gift card, you'll need to first of all select whether you want to use a business gift card or a personal gift card. Now to begin with, go ahead and tap on check balance from the top right hand side corner. Make sure that you are also logged in into your account, and also make sure that you're already logged in. So here all you have to do is just provide in the card details, that is your card number, expiry date, security code, email address, and click the continue button. As soon as the card has been added to your gift card listing, now you can use the balance in order to purchase some products. So that's basically how you can redeem or use your AMEX gift card online. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.